The second most likely theory, and it kind of, you could kind of group it in with the first theory, is a navigation area leading to deep backcountry exposure. So Paul may have unintentionally traveled farther or in a different direction than planned. In areas like this forest, drainages, like Joe said, can funnel hikers into increasingly remote terrain with very limited escape routes. But essentially what what happens and why the Park Service does not like it when people go off trail in certain areas like Grand Canyon is because if you don't have any climbing or climbing gear with you, he went down into those canyon and got stuck on this canyon ledge and just couldn't get out, and he ended up passing away on that ledge. And I can't imagine. I remember he actually wrote a letter to his family on his phone, and he was kind of at peace with it towards the end. He was kind of like, this is how it's going to go, but he was cracking jokes. But the same kind of thing could have happened to Paul in this location, with how the terrain can funnel you into an area, and he might have not have been able to get back out. So, a navigation error could have led him into dense vegetation, deep canyons, long, exhausting travel days, and limited water availability. So yeah, you can get stuck in one of those and your energy gets depleted, your decision-making degrades rapidly, which increases the likelihood of collapse or fatal exposure. Another likely theory would be a medical emergency while hiking. Paul could have suffered a sudden medical event such as a cardiac event, a stroke, maybe some kind of undiagnosed condition that was exacerbated by exertion and heat. And obviously, if any of that occurred this deep into the backcountry, there would be little chance of any way of getting out of there.
Yeah, you're toast.
You're toast, unfortunately.